It was a cold and blustery evening. It had snowed more than we had ever seen it snow since we had lived in Hagerstown. Wasn't a fit night out for man nor beast. And we had a bit of trouble getting our dog to go outside to do his, what nature calls. But he did. And we were proud of him for it, although it was very close to the door. As if from nowhere, a stranger appeared at the bottom of our steps and made his way up toward the house. Welcome to our home, stranger. It isn't a fit night out for man nor beast. Come in. We have very little, but we will share with you what we have. Thank you for your kindness. It has been a long, cold, miserable evening. I appreciate the warmth of your home. Let me take my shoes off because I stepped in some dog dew outside the door. The stranger to our table, and we had him sit down, and Carol served him a cup of hot coffee and a bowl of porridge, which she had just made that day. Pardon me for keeping my coat on in your home, but the cold is going clear through me, and even inside, I do not feel as though I can remove my coat. I need the warmth. Of all the places I have passed this evening, yours was the only one that had a welcome look that invited me to come in. And for that, I will grant you, each of you, you and your wife, 3 wishes. No, that isn't 3 wishes apiece. That is 3 wishes for both of you. So in other words, that's 1 wish for each of you with 1 wish left over for you to split. But this is my gift to you for your kindness.
Gosh, I've been given a wish all my own. I think I'd like to wish for peace on earth for all men. Or maybe I should wish for goodwill to all men. Or maybe that no men would ever be hungry again, or women. Or maybe I wish there would ever be no hunger. Or maybe I wish for another bracelet. That's it. I guess I wish I'd had a little more gold.
You shall have more gold than you ever dreamed possible.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Nice earrings. I can't believe this. All this gold is really mine.
I can't believe. Now I've got a wish. What should I wish for? I could wish for a new sports car, or I could wish to win the lottery. But no, I'm going to be patriotic. I'll wish that we get a Republican president elected next time. Our wish is granted. There will be a Republican president next election. wish. How about that, huh?
Fine mess you've made of this, old man. You've condemned us to 4 years with a Republican president. Shame on you.
What do you mean, shame on me? Newt's gonna make the best president we ever had, and I'm proud of my wish, and I'm glad that we got it.
You're a crazy old man. I'm ashamed of you. We've got some lizard that's gonna crawl out from under a rock and take care of our country for the next 4 years.
Oh, get off it. I guess Clinton will be better. You don't know what you're talking about. I can't talk to you. I
Doesn't
can't
matter.
talk to you. No, I can't talk.
Look, Hillary would be just as good with one arm tied behind her back, mind you.
Stop, both of you. And I thought this was a warm, loving household. Well, I was mistaken. I'm taking my wishes, and I'm leaving. Old man left, never to be seen or heard from again.